Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jon'Netta Tamarius, and I do want to let everyone know that I do have on a shirt. I just have on a tube top. I want to do a cute face, and I want to style this wig. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but whatever. Keep on watching for a full glam look. I really don't even know what I want to call it, but I know what I want to do. Okay, I'll put this video up on the screen of what I'm doing. This is it right here. So yeah, this is the look that I am going for. It is super glammed up. Okay, I had to fix this eyebrow because this one was looking a little bit more thicker than this one. But so yeah, we're gonna keep it pushing, and we're probably gonna move to face. My eyes are quite easy. Well, I'm doing glitter, so maybe I should do my eyes. I'm gonna do a smoky eye. I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna add some eye glue, and then I'm gonna put packed glitter on, and then I'm gonna pack on a packed shimmer to keep it in. So we'll keep it on. Okay, so I haven't done like a smoky eye in such a long time because like I want makeup to last all day. My makeup gotta last. So I'm gonna dip into some brown. It's a really neutral look, and I'm just gonna tap it up top, and I'm just gonna drag it around, circular motions and swiping to create like a gradient effect here. I don't want it too harsh, and I don't want to drag it all the way up to my brow. The tap, 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 and then the swirl in a circle and drag it around. One side is always not going to work out for you, so you can just take the edges of the brush that you're not using, like not directly the middle part because that's where you pack the color, the outside, and just swipe, and then it'll get off the axis. Sometimes I like to go darker. It just depends on how dramatic I'm gonna go. I don't think I need to. I mean, because I don't really want it to be that noticeable. Okay, I'm gonna close up this Morphe palette and open this Morphe face palette. And I'm gonna take the color I contour with, which is this one, and I'm gonna use that because it's really chocolatey, really pretty. And I kind of just relax my eye so that color can stay right in my crease. Period. Okay, so now I'm going to get my crease with some concealer. If you know anything about me, you know that my two eyes are never going to be the same. But I'm going to tap this in and let it dry and kind of blend it. Literally take the brush I was doing my eyes with and just tap out the edges because, you know, it's not looking how I want it to look. So I'm just going to tap out this one's alright. This one's alright, but it's this one for me. So I'm just going to tap. Take some more brown, just a small little dollop. And do that. Just to blend it all together. And then I can manipulate it and make it what I want it to be now. Grab my glitter pouch. I have so many. Okay, and I have every color. I have light pink. I have light pink. I have light pink. Like, I'm trying to figure out which light pink I should do because, baby, we have pink. She also has chunky pink at the bottom. One more glance at the glitters. There's so many glitters. Across the eye, exactly where we put the concealer. And you can go slower than me. I'm just so used to this. Okay. Just this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. This is back on my chunky glitters. Okay, period. I'm gonna record a video on my phone just so you can see how glittery this is, and I'm gonna put it on the screen. Okay, this is literally the glitter. How freaking pretty, and this is my chunky glitter. Wow. Wow, I want you to see. Okay. Yep, I'm so glad I did my eyes first because this is getting everywhere already. Well, you see how it's packing on literally where I put the glitter? Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's a pretty fade. Add some more brown because it was looking flat. Like, from my perspective, you're the one that was looking the worst looks the best now. This is it. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna take this light pink. It's called Versone. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, oh well, because I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna take some light pink. And then I'm gonna tap it. It's like a gel pack glitter, but it's very good for setting like an eye like this. Like, do you see? See the freaking glitter? Period. And like ruin anything. Should I do black? I don't think I should do black. I don't think I should. But like, I want this to be deeper. I feel like I need some depth. I mean, I definitely do, but I'm gonna take an even smaller brush than that one, and I'm gonna highlight, and I'm gonna do like champagne colored. I'm also gonna mix some gold in there because it's a cute color, but like it's super freaking light. Like a copper color, I would say. Which that'll do. Yeah. I haven't known I could look like this in forever. They're kind of cute. My camera's about to cut off because it's almost at the 30-minute mark. A little bit of eyeliner, just a bit of eyeliner. I don't really like because I'm putting on lashes. Small wing. have very sensitive eyes, so I'm like, ooh, getting back into lashes is like, oh my gosh, for me. Did I see someone use a spoolie, or did I just start using a spoolie? I don't remember if I seen it or if I just started doing it, but I use a spoolie to get the glitter off my face. And although there may be glitter left over, that is fine. My whole channel when I first started out is literally step-by-step makeup. Like, I started with eyebrows, went to contouring and, you know, highlighting and stuff like that. So like, if any of this is like super fast, like, I have videos that are in depth of like specific things. So oh my gosh, this hair. Cause that's weird, right? Okay, now that I'm seeing myself with glitter again for like the first time in forever, I'm freaking loving it. Like, give me all the freaking glitter, which I have already. So I'm gonna do more glitter videos because this is so cute. So cute. Gosh, I literally forgot that hack where it was like, let it dry a little bit. So I'm gonna put some more on. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more. Gotta tap that in. And let it dry a bit, and then we're gonna tap it in. Oh my gosh, freaking pay attention. Okay, I'm gonna contour. See, the thing about me is I want it to be deep and I want it to be noticeable, but I don't want it to be too much. So just do a lot of tapping before I even move the brush. Just tap it into place first. I gotta see it. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna do my concealer because it's probably done by now. Cute, cute, cute. Wait, no, we're gonna go you because you haven't been touched. Gosh, there's a lot up there. That looks like a really pretty blend. I don't know why I blow things when I'm doing it. Like, I'm doing my hair with a hot comb, I blow it. I let curling iron, I blow it, and then now I do my makeup, I blow it. Why? Take it, and I just tap it. This is why I didn't want to put on my Now we're gonna take some powder contour, the one I use. It's really chocolatey and pretty. I'm just gonna tap it while swiping it up. barely touching my face much. Cute. I cannot see the top of my hair, but I'm bronzing it. Next is blush. How did this get on my palette? I'm not sure. Anywho, called blush. So I'm just gonna, yep, add a little bit of color. Not too much, not too much, not too much. That's cute. Yep, that is all. And then I'm just gonna blend